Wall Street's main indexes eked out slight gains on Tuesday, with the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq all nudging up marginally. Technology and other AI-related shares rebounded from lows earlier in the session, explains Eric Lynch, managing director at Suncoast Equity Management.
Today, it's kind of intraday volatility like we've seen all year for the S&P 500, which is basically just flat. Investors could be forgiven to think that nothing's been happening. Today's been very much the same. We're down a point, we're back up to par, we're now positive. A lot of the AI leisure names that have been impacted, not just in tech, but in things like insurance, et cetera, lately, have come running back today.
After dropping as much as 1.5% on Tuesday, the S&P 500 information technology sector erased declines to close up 0.5%. Gainers included NVIDIA and Apple, with shares of the latter adding more than 3%. The two offset a decline in Microsoft and a nearly 4% drop in shares of Oracle. Even with the rebound in technology names, software stocks remained under pressure, with the S&P 500 software index ending down more than 1.5%. Shares of Intuit and Cadence Design were the worst performing in the index, with each losing more than 5%. Outside of tech, shares of General Mills tumbled 7% after the cereal maker cut its annual core sales and profit forecasts. On the flip side, Norwegian Cruise Line was the best performer on the S&P 500, with shares rallying roughly 12% after activist investor Elliott said it had built a more than 10% stake in the cruise operator.